You are going to love the 2016 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.